The chapter we were discussing is a whiz through uh, software. It's a chapter number 5. So chapter number 5, whiz through software, tell us about some types of software. What are the types? We see two types of software: system software and the application software. Okay, the system software is basically used to control all the activities within the computer, and application software are used for a specific type of task, specific type of things, specific types of jobs. So we see the operating system. Operating system is the type of system software. And right now we are seeing the different application software. In application software, we see some software like MS Excel, like MS Access, like MS Word. Right now we are seeing at web browser. It's on the page number 40. Now we are going to see another application software. It's a web browser. So the first line of the page number 40 is telling us that a web browser is an application software that enable us to access text, images, videos, music, games, and other types of information on the internet. Okay, so see, there are two things: Google and web browser. These two things are different. Okay, remember, Google and browser is different. When I say browser, it's a web browser because browser is used for internet. We use internet through browser. We have a browser. So browser is a software. Okay, Google is a search engine. Both of these are different. So for example, let me write some names there. Let me write some names there. We have Google Chrome. We have Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a browser. Okay, it is owned by Google. That's why the name of the Google is there. It's a product of Google. Google Chrome. Then we have Mozilla Firefox. And then we have IE. The full form of IE is Internet Explorer. Okay. Or sometimes the next one is Edge. It is also the browser. Then we have Opera. Okay. Then we have Safari. All of these. There are so many others. There are so many others. There is one more browser which is specifically for the mobile. It's UC browser. It's UC browser. It's for the mobile, the Android one. Okay, for the Android mobiles, these are the best one because it takes very less battery. Okay, so all of these are the browsers. It means all of these are software. Nothing of them can search anything. These are just the software. The screen right now you are seeing is of this one. The browser which I am using, it's this one. This it's a Opera. Okay, so the browser right now you are seeing. I open my browser. The book you are seeing right now on my screen is on this software. So Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, the short form is IE, Edge, Opera, Safari, and UC browser. All of these are the softwares which is used. These are used to access internet. We open Facebook, we open Google, we open YouTube, whatever we want to open on the software we have to use is a browser. So it's an application software. It means that web browser is dedicated for some specific task. Yes, you are right, Ryan. We can open Gmail on it. We can open Google Drive on it. So web browser is an application software that allow us to access. Access means to get something. Okay. Yes, Amreman, you are right. The word Edge means it's a Microsoft Edge, and Internet Explorer is also from the Microsoft. Okay, so the point is now the point the we are discussing is that a web browser is an application software that to get allow us to get text or access text, images, videos, music, games, and other types of information on the internet. What other types of information? For example, we are searching for some definition, we are searching for some concept, we are searching for an address on the Google map, we want to see the route map towards any shop or the bank. We can search anything on the internet. We have to search the book, we have to search the answer, we have to search the telephone number for a specific office, we have to search the pictures. Images means graphics. Graphics is a general word. In graphics, videos and pictures both will come. Images is specifically for the picture. Image means picture. For example, someone is saying send me some images, it means that send me some pictures. So a web browser enable us to get or to see text, alphabets, letters and number on the from the internet, see the pictures, or you can see the videos, or you can see or download the music, download or play the online games, and all other types of information on the internet. So now that's good, Ayad. That's good, Ayad. You know it. That's a great thing. So on the internet we can access so many things. On the internet we can access so many things. We all use internet because right now in the modern world 99% people use internet. 99% people use internet. So everybody knows that it's a essential part of our life. It's an essential part of our life. Okay. Now we can use Zoom. Yes, Ryan, you are right. We can watch videos. You are right. The full form of IE is an Internet Explorer. It's mentioned in your book. It's mentioned in your book. See, the full form of IE. I write IE. It's mentioned in your book. It's some Internet Explorer. It is owned by Microsoft. So that's why we had Microsoft Internet Explorer. We can say Microsoft IE or Edge. This is also belongs to Microsoft, owned by the Microsoft. So it's a Microsoft Edge or Microsoft Internet Explorer. Both of them are different. One is the latest one, and the Internet Explorer is the older one. Okay, so someone is asking what is the full form of UC? It's a universal control. The UC browser. This browser is best for the mobiles. For the Android mobiles, this is the best browser because it takes very less battery. Okay, or take very less RAM. So UC means universal control. Someone asked this question. That's why I shared this information with you. Okay, so okay, someone is asking for the short form of database management program. Okay, do you know the program is also called the software? Yes, in the previous classes we see this. Software means program, program means software. So when we say database management programs and then when we say database management software, so the short form of database is DB. Short form of database is DB. And the short form of database management program is DBMS. It's a database management system. Okay, and for the database we just have DB. So these are the two short forms. For programs there is no P. For programs there is no short form, but for the systems there is it is. So these are the short form for the database and database management system. Okay, you're welcome, Mohammed. Okay, so that's good. That's good, Amin Mohammed. Okay, so now we discussed about the web browser. My question is now with you. My question is now with you that I just want to check your creativity, that how much creative or intelligent you are. My question is that what you do on internet. Just send one point, not write the 5, 10, 100 or 1000 things. Just write one point. What you do on internet. For example, if you use it for the game, you can just write online games. That's it. So, Abdul Rahman Hussain said study. Okay, I will write all the options here. Okay, so let's see what you do. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so we can do a study. Yes, we can learn things online game. Okay, so Abdul Rahman Hussain said study. Abdul Mohsen is just laughing in the chat, not saying anything. Ayad Hamad is saying learning. Adam is saying online games. Okay, that's great. Adam. Okay. Amrayman also studying. That's great. Ryan Abdul Salam playing online games. Arhan study and games. Online classes. That's it. We do only three things on the internet. What else we can do on the internet? Study, learning, and online games. That's it. Very good, Jibrail. We can watch videos on internet. That's good. So, Mohannad, very good, Mohannad. Mohannad is saying we can download books or see the books or read the books. Umar Muhammad, YouTube, yes, on the videos, we can see it on the YouTube. We can get the information. Nawaf, very good. Muad, music, we can listen the music. That's good. Okay, let's see. Someone send it. Nawaf is saying we can get the information on any topic. Very nice. We can get the information. So Ayad is saying we can see the images, pictures. We can get the pictures of any building or personality. Ryan is saying we can call. Ryan is saying information. Then we have Ryan is saying call. What else we have? Okay. Along with the call, we can call other people using the internet. We can check the history of historical things. Okay. So that's good. History is done by Arhan. Ah, Adam. That's great. Adam is sharing the point that it has a channel. I will try to write the names of all the students in the screen, but it's not possible because I have a less space on the screen. Muhammad. Muhammad is also providing the good answer. We can download things. We can download games. Okay. So downloading, read book. Ahmad. Ahmad is saying we do chat on the internet. Adam is saying chat. Ayad is saying we can send message. Yes. We can attend the Zoom meetings. This is said by Muhannad. Fadi. Yes, you are right, Fadi. Okay, let's see what we have else. Okay. Ah, that's good, Ryan. We use Messenger. That's a great thing. We can also upload the things we want to upload. Ryan, that's great. Video calls. Tafim Zaman said, video calls. Okay, Ryan said call and Tafim Zaman said video calls. That's good. Okay, so if you see, there are so many tasks. There are so many. Very good. You guys give the brilliant answers. Very good. We can do the video calls. That's good. Adam, Abdullah Mehman, Ryan, Umar Mohammad, Iyad, Arhan, Ahmadullah Mehman, Rajatawa, Jibrail, Umar Mohammad, Tafim Zaman, Hatim. So, very good. So there are so many things. These are not the all. These are not the all. Excellent, guys. Excellent. You guys did the splendid job. Very well done. So you guys participated very well. So there are so many things. There are so many things. For example, if I ask to any one student, that student can tell me one or two things. That's it. But you guys participated very well, and see, there are so many things we can study on the internet, learn something new, online games. We can watch video or a YouTube. We can read the book, listen the music. We can get the information on any topic. We can do the call to anyone using the internet, or we can do the video call also. We can search the history on any topic. We can make a channel on a YouTube. We can download videos and music. Yes, Hatim, you are right. We can do the chat with other people. We can send message using Messenger or Gmail. We can use Zoom. Okay, we can upload the things on different social media platforms or on our Google Drive. So see, there are so many things we can learn from the Google. Yes, Abdul Rahman Hussain, you are very much right. You said it correct. So there are so many things. For example, not in this test. For example, if I ask you this thing in the next class, say in the same class, for example, in the next class, I will ask you, okay, okay, Mr. A, okay, Mr. B, tell me some five uses of internet. So can you tell me five uses of internet? So I write so many uses. You tell me those uses and I write here on the right side. So there are so many. They are much more than the five. If I ask you five or three or two or seven, so you can tell me any five or four uses of internet. So these are some uses of internet. So along with it, we have something here. We can send and receive email and surf the internet using a web browser. So there is a word email. We know very well. We can send email. We know very well that we can send email. But the point is, but the point is, what is the full form of email? Is there anyone who knows what is email? What is the full form of email? The full form of email is an electronic mail. It's an electronic mail. E stands for electronic. So we can send and receive electronic email and we can surf the internet. We can surf the internet. Now, now the second point in it, we can use the internet on it. Let me rub the arrow. There is the arrow. Wait for a second. Okay. So we can get airline schedules or schedules, both pronunciations can work. We can get airline schedules, chat with our friends, or buy things online. We can get to know that when do we have a flight. We can even book the ticket through online. We don't have to go to the agent. We just have to put our credit card number and the pin code, and we can get the air ticket online. We just have to go to the airport on the day of a flight. Or we can also do the chat with the friends, as we know that we can do it with the help of a messenger or any social media. Or we can buy things online. Yes, we know very well. There are so many websites available in the kingdom. In Saudi Arabia, there are so many websites. Like some famous one are like Amazon.sa, like Noon. These are the most famous websites. And the stuff is also very good. So you can buy the things online from your card using your internet. So in this way, you can buy the things online. You don't have to go anywhere. The things will come at your doorstep. So these all are done using the browser. You use the browser, you use the internet, because browser will do nothing without the internet, and you cannot use internet without the browser. So you need a browser. Some browsers are written over here. For example, if I ask you any two names of browser, so you can tell me any two names in the next class. I will ask. Okay, I will ask what are the names of the browsers, or tell me any two or three browsers name. So I write six browsers names, so you have to tell me any two or three. Ah, yeah, yeah, good. Okay, that's good. I know you are writing. Okay. So the next line or the next paragraph, Microsoft Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox are the two of the most commonly used web browsers. Yes, they are most commonly, but all of these are in the used. Not all, but majority. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, UC browser in the mobiles, all of them. These are the most used softwares for surfing the internet. For using the internet, they are the most used one. They are the most used one. They give you the picture snapshot of that Internet Explorer. See, they are giving you the picture. It's an Internet Explorer demonstration. They are showing it look like this. Okay, and your Google is look like this. Mozilla Firefox look like this. It's not a Google, it's a Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so it's look like this. This is the interface of a Mozilla Firefox. All of them, all both of them are the browsers. They are used to surf the internet. Now, what we have at the end? At the end of this page, what we have? List three advantages of internet. See, this question. This question is easy. If you understand this question correctly, you can do it very easily. How? They are asking for the advantages. So the things we do on the internet, it's our advantage. For example, we can watch any video without going to cinema. So we can watch the video. Okay. So we can play online games. Okay. We can read the book without buying. We are just reading the book on the from the internet. So in this way, we can we can get the access to many things. So you have to just write the advantage, the benefit, or the use you do internet for what. Okay, so I ask you the thing that you use internet for what. Someone saying is study, someone is saying learning, someone is saying online games, someone is saying video. So different people have different opinions. That's good. So let me write the first point. Let me write the first point. Let me write the first point with the protocol. Wait a second. So we use it for what? We use it for get information from all over the world. So this is the first point. We write the first point. We can get information from all over the world. Yes, through internet we can get the information. For example, you want to get the information about the Tesla. Okay, you want to get the information about a weather. So you can get any information on the internet. You want to search a new computer. You want to search the new gadget. You want to search the new toys. You want to search the new game. Whatever you want to search, you can search on the internet. In less than a minute, you will get to know that what this thing is. So this is the first advantage. Everybody should write this in their book. Everybody should write this in their book. So the second advantage we are going to write. The second advantage is we can purchase things online. So in this, we can purchase things. We can buy things online through internet without going anywhere. We just have to buy it. Very good. That's a nice suggestion, Adam. That we can use our. Okay, yes, you are right. So this is the second information. Okay, Hatem. Very good. Excellent, Hatem. So right now, two advantages are done. The first one is we can get information from all over the world. The second one is we can purchase things online. And the third one is we use internet to access what? Access text, images, videos, and games. So we can search any letter, any word, any picture, any video, and any game. In this way, we can search these. So this is the third advantage of internet. This is the third advantage of the internet. So everybody should write this in their notebook. Everybody, oh, sorry, in the book. Everybody should write this in their book on the page number 40. So right now there is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. Okay. So the time of the period is finished. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. So